everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be telling you about loving yourself. So why do we always get hurted? We get hurted from the person we love the most, right? So why do we love someone else the most? Why can't we just love ourselves the most? Like honestly speaking, अगर हम किसी और से प्यार ही नहीं करेंगे तो कोई हमें हर्ट ही नहीं करेगा. If we love ourselves, trust me on this, uh, no one, no money, nothing in this world can stop you, living a happy life. So it's better we start loving ourselves, appreciating what we have before it's gone or it's too late. And that's about, it's been ages. I've been flying like as a cabin crew. I used to come on layovers, and I used to be in the room thinking with the thought that my partner would not like it, me going out with friends or exploring, or maybe he would not appreciate the fact that I spend time with others. But now, after me exploring myself, trust me on this, I've started coming out, I've started enjoying, I've started doing things what I like, and I've stopped thinking that people will judge me. I don't really care. You all want to judge me? Keep judging me, because no one can stop your dirty mind. So I have started coming out, and I have started loving it, whatever I'm doing. And this is the first time ever I have, you know, no, I can tell you, I don't come for lunch, dinner, breakfast, nothing. And it is very rare that I'm very hungry that I'll come. Otherwise, everything in the room. But then I've started coming out, and I'm loving it. I cannot. I've been repeating this is because I am loving for the fact that I was missing all this because of a stupid person. I hate you for doing this to me. You enjoyed your life and you stopped me from doing this. And look at this. I was missing all this. Like, honestly speaking, I was missing everything in life. Like, honestly, why would I do this to myself? Yeah, the fact was I was not loving myself. That's why I did all this to myself. But I will not do this anymore. I will appreciate what I have, and I will also enjoy every moment of my life. And it's not going to start any tomorrow. It's going to start right now. And my upcoming vlogs will all be of me. I will do everything what I like, and I will not want anyone to judge me. If you want to judge me, please feel free to judge me. I really don't care what you all want to say. But thank you so much for keeping me so far from you and making me realize that my worth is more than what you ever, can imagine of. That's from my side. I really want to get in the pool. I'm waiting for one of my friend right now. That lazy bum is sleeping. Once she comes, then we'll jump into the pool, because this view is just fantastic. Bye. See you. Catch you in a next vlog. In the next vlog.